Hi guys, here we've got a 2011 Subaru Outback 3.6 litre fuel sender unit. The car got towed in, wasn't running, it was just cranking. And we narrowed it down to it having no fuel. Tested the fuel pump circuits, they were all good. And then went down the road of pulling the pump out to test it out of the car. And upon inspection, when I pulled the plug off the fuel sender unit, if you have a look in here, it's burnt out and created a hole so that the fuel vapor is venting outside of the fuel tank, and this whole sender unit needs to be replaced. So what we thought was just going to be a fuel pump, turns out it has to be the whole sender unit. Now they're quite hard to get, it takes about 6 weeks to get them out of Japan, so we've just located a second-hand one. We've just checked this to make sure it hasn't got the same problem. Upon speaking to Subaru, it's a common issue with them, so just something to be wary of, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button.